Hey everyone, out here today sighting in my bow for hunting this year. I've been shooting through the summer off and on to get ready for the hunting season, but came out and first morning I actually broke my peep sight in half. I don't know how that happened. I guess just vibration. But anyway, I had to needed to get restrung, and I have a tubular sight that mounts onto the string, and I'm needing to get restrung, and I had planned on getting restrung and put on a sight without the tube. It's a stretchy tube that goes back and forth to align the sight up. So I'm trying to get away from that, but for right now, I'm just gonna stick with what I got since it's hunting season. I don't really wanna mess with it till after hunting season. The string's in good shape. I'm just getting resighted in, but right now I'm shooting just at a block. Hope you can see that. And we're counting off 50 yards or so. See what I could step it off at. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're going to step it off 35 yards and just to get this thing centered in on the target there. I know my other pins are good. I'm going to sight this thing in at 35, and because I know my other pin heights are good, and I'm just wanting to make sure that left and right is in proper alignment for the peep sight that I just put on. The peep sight it's just one of these. It's got has rubber tubing, and it works fine, but whenever you pull back, it actually twists your sight around and gets it in line with your sight up front. My preference is everyone has gone to the single pin in front, but I'm a big fan of the 3-pin. It's got the level, and it's a 3/16 peep sight. So I've gotten accustomed to this one, and actually this is a flip up rest. I'm a big fan of those too. This is an old bow. It's a solo cam Outback. It's probably a 2004, but it's just got the single cam here. 2004 I think is the last year they, and I may be wrong on that, but this has actually been one of my favorite bows, and it's pulling at 70 pounds, and it's a really good bow. But anyway, I've just got a stack of arrows here. I'm gonna shoot the target, see what we got, see what we can come up with here. See if I'm gonna have to do any more adjustment to the sights. So, but I'm gonna line this thing up and let y'all watch. that's it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I was aiming a little high, and just because I didn't know what my elevation, if it was going to change much. But I think a little more tuning. I was kind of playing around with going right to the first shot I made was the farthest one to the right, but that was, I think it was just not being ready, but it's still not far out of the pattern. But I was trying to compensate, and then I went too far left, and so I started kind of creeping in from the right, and you can see the pattern here is whenever I was compensating on the target to the very far point of the hexagon. The top right corner is where that was aligning. Then I went back over here to this hexagon corner, and I started hitting here. So I think it's in line, right to left. I'm going to have to tweak, because I think it's moved my sight, my elevation. Whenever I put the new Peep in, it's moved my elevation up just a tad. But all in all, I think that's pretty good right there. But these are the test arrows here and here, and I think, well, this was the first arrow, and it got just way too far out. I think that was more me than anything, just not being ready. But anyway, I think that's pretty good for right now, and I'm going to play with the elevation and see if I can get this thing tuned in. But I can hunt with it right now, because I know it's just a little bit of elevation on the pin, and I just know I could aim a little lower on my top pin, and it'd be all right. And I'm from the tree stand too, so anyway, I think this will work. I hope you enjoyed this, and catch you on the next one. Later.